Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impact lag easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just click here, make sure to turn off, to disable and to close all the applications that you don't need like Epic Games. Right click on it, click exit, and now after that right click on your PC, go to control panel, and here go to use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. After that go to settings, update and security, and here just install the updates, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.